Hey guys, it's me again, Miss African Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Today's videos is gonna be about stuff that I got from Fashion Nova. Yes, girls, my package just came in. I've been waiting for this package to do this haul for 2 weeks, and I was actually a little bit pissed about Fashion Nova because I thought they were gonna be way delaying my stuff, but it came in 2 weeks. I did pay for the $6, I think 2-3 days shipping, but it didn't ship till 7 days later. So I was so pissed off about that. So I'm gonna be sending them an email, tell me give it my $6 because y'all never shipped my stuff within 2 to 3 days. It was 7 days, a whole week. Okay? And also I thought it was kind of strange because it said my stuff were shipped on the 8th and I didn't get it to the 18th. So 10 whole days from just the States to Canada, and I paid for my shipping express. No, Fashion Nova, no. You guys need to work something out with me and pay me back my $6 for that shipping because y'all never ship my stuff on time. But besides that, 2 weeks I think is okay, not too bad to get my stuff. And also, this is my first time shopping at Fashion Nova, and I never looked on reviews about Fashion Nova shopping before, and I started looking at the reviews and some people said I never got my order, they stole $100 from me. I'm just like, I hope they didn't steal my money and not send my stuff. That's why it took forever to ship my stuff. But nope, your girl got her stuff. So Fashion Nova, we cool. But let's just see if you guys' clothes is up to par, So let's just get started. They didn't open my package yet, so you guys will be seeing. Just brought it in a regular, those plastic baggy things. So let me open that so you guys can see what I got. Okay, the first thing I got, what is this? Oh yeah, this is denim jean dress. I got in a size 2X. I hope it's not too big. I hope it's not too big, but yeah, this is the dress. It's just a denim dress. The back is just like this. I got it in a size 2X. I hope it's not too big for me. I really hope it's not too big for me. But it looks cute so far. It looks like the picture, so I'm not even mad because it looks like the picture. It's in a size 2X and it was $37.99, but I believe I got it on sale, so I guess that's the real price since it's a 2X. Right now I'm going to show you guys the stuff that I got. I'm unboxing them. In my next video I'll try them on because, like I said, I'm not home right now and I'm not gonna change at my mom's house, in all these outfits right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you what I got because I'm just so excited and I have to see what I got. So your girl wanted to have first impression. So this is beautiful. I love the detail and I can't wait to try it on. So that's that. Our next item is this nice velvety red dress. I got it in a size 1 extra large. It was originally $29.99, but your girl didn't pay that. You know me, sale girl. Looks like this. Oh, it's so cute. It's like knee length. Oh my gosh. So soft. I cannot wait to try this on. Yes, girl. The material is kind of thin though, but hey. Has a good amount of stretch, but you guys will see my try on part. What else did I get? Okay. Another crushed velvet dress, because velvet's in now. I got this one in an extra large. It's like a tube dress. Just looks like this. And I'm so happy that I got it. Oh my god, look at this color. This camera is not doing it justice, but this is such a beautiful pink color. I got it in extra large. It was originally $24.99, but your girl got this on sale too. I'm so happy I got it in the extra large because it can stretch, so I'm glad it's not too big. So that's that. What else did we get? This is I don't know. I don't think a lot of people really like this type of dresses, the tie-dye type of dress. But I think it's so cute and I don't have anything tie-dyed. So this dress was in an extra large and it was $29.99 originally. But your girl got this on sale. So the top just looks like this. I got it in an extra large and it's pretty long. Let me show you guys. Yes, girl. It goes on the side. It has a cut here. Yes, girl. Oh my gosh, look at the color. So pretty. I cannot wait to try this dress on. I might just wear this tonight. This might be my because I'm going out tonight, so you know, might just wear this one. Just came just in time. And what else do we got here? This, oh my god, this is something that I got that I don't know if I'm gonna wear it because it's kind of revealing, but it was on sale, and you know, your girl gotta be a little risky. It's 2018, you know, gotta be started taking risk with our clothing. So I got this in a extra large. It's just this, okay, the cuts are not as bad as I thought. The side of the skirt, there's these like rings, openings, like you can see your skin. And it's just like a short skirt like this. The holes are not that bad, so I think I could probably wear this. And it comes with this top also. The top is kind of small though, but you guys will see my try-on portion. And the sides also has the same design as the skirt. So that was another set, and the set was $34.99 originally, and an extra large. And I'll let you guys will see how this will fit in my try-on haul, but you know, those are pretty much what I got in my order. So far, everything looks like how it looks in the picture, so I'm happy about that. I just hope everything fits well, because I'm not trying to bring nothing back. I will just end up giving something away if it doesn't fit me, because I don't have time for that all the way in the States, waiting for refund money. Like, no, it's okay. Those are basically all the things I got from Fashion Nova. The quality is okay, but we'll see how it looks on the body, you know? You know, when you look at the dress in your hand and when you look at it on, it's two different things. So yeah, also in the packaging, it just comes with this black thing that says Fashion Nova. I guess it has instructions on how to return stuff if you would like to return anything, which I'm not returning anything, so that's pointless for me. It just has the stuff that I got, just shows everything here. So I guess return sticker. So that's that. And it also has, this is nice. Says, sorry babe, we know your order was way past fashionably late, and we want to thank you so much for being such a supportive, understanding Nova babe. Okay. We had a record-breaking holiday season all because of you. All the love you showed us made Fashion Nova the world's #1 go-to destination for the hottest styles. You are a part of the fastest growing company in history. Oh wait, there's one more. Please enjoy our one-time code to enjoy 30% off plus free shipping. Oh, if these stuff are lit, I'm gonna be buying some more clothes, and thanks for the free shipping and 30% off. Yes, girl, I'm loving that. So yeah, I don't want you guys to see my code before you guys teeth my code, but that is so sweet. Thank you, Fashion Nova. Thank you. Yeah. So that's basically the end of my video. If you guys want to see me try on these beautiful Fashion Nova outfits, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification button, give me a like, comment below, and stay tuned, because most likely my next video will be our try-on of these Fashion Nova clothing. So yeah, thanks again for watching, and bye.